Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sulaiman Surani. In today's tutorial, I'll be creating a dynamic 2D text on Spark AR that can be personalized according to the user's location, time of the day, and this is going to be very interesting for Instagram filter. Now, if you're excited to create this filter with me, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I upload video tutorials every week. Okay, so let's get started. Let's jump straight to Spark AR. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a 2D text. Here I have a text box here. I can type anything here, right? Or I can insert a dynamic text. I can insert my current city, where I'm at. I can insert time, date, day of the week, and so on, right? For this first text, I'm going to type my own. Because I'm creating a filter, right? Okay. The first time I'm gonna type because it is okay. Just gonna leave it generic. I'm gonna leave the font size to 40 at the moment. Color, I'm gonna change it to white. Okay. Now I want to make sure that I push. Okay, I'm gonna adjust this. I'm gonna bring this down to 20. Okay, now if I click on font here, these are the only options that I can play with. Okay, quite limited. I'm going to import my own text. I'm going to import my own font type. And I want to make sure that it sits in the middle of the frame, right? One way to do it is for me to drag it out to make sure that it's I can see the red line here, as you can see here, right? Or because different user will be using different devices, so here as I'm viewing on iPhone 8, right? But of course you can change accordingly. Now I'm going to click on the text here. Now I want to make sure that I click on the center. Make sure it appears in the center of the screen. And I also want to click here to ensure that regardless of the device that the user is using, it's always going to be in the center of the screen. So I'm going to leave it here in the center. I'm going to call this, I'm going to rename this. It's a very good practice to rename this. Okay, I'm just call it because. And I'm going to add another 2D text. I'm going to call this day of week. Okay, I'm gonna delete the text here. I'm gonna go to the dynamic text and insert my day of week. Alright, so it's gonna show the user's current day, right? Now I want to push this all the way to the right because it is will change according to the day that the filter is being taken, right? It can either be Monday, Tuesday, or Saturday and all that. So I want to make sure that it has space if it read out Saturday. So I'm gonna place it right in the middle here. I'm still gonna click on this center. Now I'm gonna use my own font. I do not want to use any of the fonts here. So to insert font is very easy. I'm just gonna add a set. I'm gonna import from my computer. I'll be importing two fonts called Bella Berry and North Central White. Now, if you like this two fonts, you can head to the description box below and download the fonts. So I have two fonts here imported, and all I can do is just click on the text and I just change. Automatically, you can already see the font here. For the Monday, I'm gonna change it to Bella Berry. Okay, it's Monday today. I think I'm gonna bring it up to 100. I'm gonna change the color to white. This text, I wanna change this to my new font that I uploaded because it is maybe okay. I'm going to I just want to duplicate my day of the week. Okay, because it's Monday, right? So user can use this filter on a daily basis. I'm going to duplicate this one, and I'm just gonna drag it down. I'm gonna probably duplicate 4 of this. Alright, so basically inserting of 2D text, dynamic 2D text is very easy on Spark AR. It's up to your own creativity how you can create your own filter for Instagram. Because it is, I'm gonna move slightly up. Okay, because it is Monday, right? So tomorrow, if I were to use this filter, it is gonna reflect because it's Tuesday, right? So I can take picture based on, so I can take videos and photos and all that, right? To show my day. So because it's Monday, so I'm gonna bring up my hoodie, right? I'm done with the dynamic 2D text. Very simple. I'm going to finish off this filter. I'm just going to add 2 more things. I'm just going to add my own color LUT. I'm going to import color LUT. Okay, I'm going to download a color LUT that I created on my own. I'm going to download a futuristic Bleak. If you like this color LUT, you can head to the description box below to download this color LUT. Now, if you want to learn how to create your own color LUT, you can check out this video. I created this video on creating your color LUT using Adobe Lightroom. So I'm gonna import this, and all I need to do is just to right click actions and apply to camera, and automatically you can see the patches here, right, on the patch editor. Okay, now I have my color LUT. I just wanna add texture, so I'm gonna, under canvas, right, I'm gonna right click, add a rectangle. I'm gonna make sure that it fits the entire screen, and I'm gonna create a new material, and I'm gonna rename this. It's a good practice to rename all of your it's a good practice to rename everything. Texture, a new material. I'm gonna call this texture as well. Okay, I'm gonna insert my an image that I have. I have this image here, and I'm just going to link it up to my material. And I'm going to change the blend mode to screen, and I can bring down the opacity maybe about so a little bit more. Okay, right, that looks good, I think. Nice. Okay, so that's how you insert your own dynamic 2D text on Spark AR, and add a little bit more of color LUT and texture to your filter. So have fun with your dynamic text. Alright, see what you can do to your filter, and this is how it looks like. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Hope you enjoy creating your filter. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And let me know in the comment section below maybe some of the filters that you want me to create on Spark AR. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.